Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking down the essentials that immediately change ball flight. Grip first. Rotate your hands slightly more left to close the face at impact. That reduces open face spin. Once done, set your ball just inside the left heel and tee so the center of the driver strikes the ball. Make sure your shoulders and feet are aimed a touch closed relative to the target. This encourages an inside-to-out swing path rather than coming over the top. Now you alter the motion that creates a slice. Start with a shallow takeaway to keep the club from flying outside. This prepares a better plane. As you transition, feel the club drop into the slot, your right elbow tucking and the shaft pointing slightly down the line. Once you start down, lead with hip rotation so your torso clears and the club approaches from inside to out. That combination squares or slightly closes the face and reduces side finish by controlling impact and a smooth release. Visualize squaring the face. Feel your knuckles rotate toward your left palm as you hit, which counters an open face. Once done, allow a natural forearm rotation through impact. Resisting that leads to a blocked club and spin. Make small tweaks. If you pull then slice, lower the tee or add a slight forward press to promote out-twin. If problems persist, check grip pressure and video, your swing to spot early wrist or club face opening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.